Hello. Today we will cover the JavaScript evaluations. Okay. Until now, we have done this. Vale. We use here an equal sign and the keyword to define what type of variable this is going to be. And this is the name of the variable, and this is the value of the variable. When we use only one equal symbol, this is called an assignment. I am assigning to the variable name the value of lie, which is a data type of type string. Good. Now we will see evaluations. Assignment. But okay, this is assigning a variable. A value to a variable. To assign, to tell you, okay, name u will be a data type of type lie. Right. Now we will see what is an evaluation. Evaluation, it is something, as its own name indicates, that evaluates if something is either true or false. For example, one question. 2 it's equal to 2. Let's see. Okay, let's see. True. Right. This humanly understandable sentence, okay, 2 is equal to 2, transformed to the language of JavaScript, it would be something like this, right? I create a variable called is equal, right? And I assign to that variable the result of evaluating. This is an evaluation. Actually, this is not really necessary. Okay, this will work also. Okay, but the brackets are useful to isolate blocks of code. For example, if I want to make sure, or I want to see more clearly that I want to isolate this block of code, the bracket will execute first this block of code and then will go up. Okay, so it will work also, but it's a bit complicated to explain, but to be honest, believe me, it's useful to use these curly braces. They don't make any damage and they help you to read it more easily and to isolate them, to see more clearly what's going on, right? Okay, so this is evaluating if 2 is equal to true. Let's see if 2 is equal to 3. To 3. What do you think will tell me here? Of course, tells me that 2 is not equal to 3. Okay, so this is a evaluation. Evaluate is something it's true or false. That's it. Okay, we use the triple. There are two ways of making evaluations, which is the double equal sign or the triple equal sign. If you're lazy and you don't want to remember absolutely everything of what I explained here, just keep in mind that it's better to use the triple equal, right? Because why? I'll give you an example. The double equal is more relaxed and tries to understand only that makes some kind of deductions, and it's more prone to errors. For example, is equal. If I do this, what do you think I will get? I will get that is true or is false? Well, it's a 2, but this is a string, this is a number, right? So it's not very clear. If you were paying attention in the previous classes, it's not the same. So this tells me it's true. A number 2 and a string of type 2. Okay? And what happens if I put a triple quote, triple equal? Then, let's see. I get a false. With double, I get a true. But with triple, I get false. It's more relaxed and does some like deductions of what you are trying to type. It's more complex and there are many examples, but I don't have time to cover it. And in general terms, your life will be better if you just use triple equal, okay? The data type, okay? For now, just remember that you can see maybe 2 double, but if you write code yourself, it's better to use the triple equal, right? Because as you saw, and if you are comparing a string to a number, change it. I mean, you're doing it wrong, okay? There are ways to change a string to an integer and vice versa, okay? So that's it. This is an evaluation. How do we do evaluations? With double or triple equaled. In this case, because we are ordered people and like we are strict, you always try to use the triple equal. And that's it. These are the basic example of evaluations. We will cover more examples in other videos. Goodbye.